What is going on, everybody? Welcome. I hope all is well. I got camp all set up and situated. I've just been chilling. I am camping at Roosevelt Lake, one of my favorite spots. I decided this week, I was debating where I was going to go, what I was going to do, because this is actually my last trip before the new year. So I was like, what do I want to do? And I ended up looking what I did last year, and I camped at this spot last year. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to do the same this year. Although the crazy thing camping here this year versus last year is the weather. I remember last year it was colder. I had to wear a jacket. I had gloves. You know, it was just, it was colder. Now it's freaking beautiful. Temperature is 62 degrees. I mean, like, come on. You can't even beat it. For it being the end of December, like, perfect. I will say, whoever camped here last, so when I camped here last, I had to fix up the fire ring. And whoever camped here in between then destroyed the fire ring. And now I have to refix it again. I mean, luckily it's just the walls. I kind of dug around a little bit to check to see if there was any trash in the fire ring. There isn't. So that's good. So I just got to work on the walls. So something I am doing is about maybe like 200-300 yards up that way on the drive, like to the spot. There's a bunch of like drift and dead wood, and even like past like these bushes and like tree bushes things, there's some dead wood, which I did grab some already. But what I'm thinking of doing is taking everything out of my truck bed and just driving the couple 100 feet that way, picking up a bunch of wood and just bringing it here so I have a huge pile, so I actually don't have to use the pile that I brought, and I can save that for next week. For now, I think that's pretty much the plan. At some point, take care of the fire ring, gather some more wood, and just enjoy being out here. So that's the plan, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, sunset came and went. There's just a little bit of light off in the distance. That's about it. Fire's keeping me nice and warm. I gotta say, man, like, this weather, you would never guess it's freaking wintertime. But I am loving it. I am not complaining. Right now, though, I'm actually getting ready to start making my dinner. I got my potatoes right here. I'm making French fries and hamburgers. I'm gonna cook the burgers on the fire and then obviously fry up the fries right here. I did forget the cheese, so I will not be having a cheeseburger. I'll be having a hamburger. I think that's the only thing I forgot. I think I have everything else. I think I'm good on that. So I am just gonna go ahead and start making my dinner. All right, my food looks so good. I got my tea warming up, added more wood to the fire, so that's going. And I'm gonna enjoy my evening. And I will say as well, there is a full moon out. It's coming out right now, it's right there. It's supposed to be out all night long, so we'll see how that goes. I gotta tell you guys, I still cannot get over this freaking weather, man. It's so freaking beautiful. And it's winter, like I can't get over it. This time last year, man, I remember I was freezing. All right, I will catch you guys at some point in the morning. I'm gonna enjoy my evening. All right, well, it is morning-ish still. 10:30, not bad. That massive log is still going on the fire. I changed into my t-shirt because it's freaking beautiful. It is 60 degrees right now. The coldest it got last night was 30 degrees, so got pretty chilly. Now I am getting my breakfast. So if you didn't know, I made 2 burgers, a bunch of fries. I didn't eat as many fries last night as I thought I was going to. And so the leftover fries and this 1 burger patty are for my breakfast. Or I should probably say brunch at this point. So something I do want to tell everybody is, so this is the end of the year. This is my end of the year video. And something I decided to do coming in the next year is, so I post my videos on Wednesdays, every Wednesday. And I'm actually switching that up. So in the new year, I am going to be posting every Sunday. And so the new year actually starts on Wednesday. So I will not be posting on that Wednesday. It'll be the following Sunday that I will post. And from then on, it'll be Sundays that I post my videos on. I just wanted to give everyone a heads up. All right, so I'm gonna enjoy the fire. Something I did since I brought so much wood, and like the cool thing is I didn't use any of my wood. I put all the wood that I'm not going to use over there next to that huge log, and then I have some sticks and twigs over there that I will add to this just to help it burn a little bit more. But I know that's not going to get done before I leave. All right, everybody. I am going to enjoy the fire, my food, the last couple hours I have here, and I will catch you guys later. So just like normal, I appreciate you. Remember, it is only impossible until it no longer is, and hopefully I'll see you next time. All right, take care, guys.